should get help. That means if you need a mentor or you need to work with someone who can get you to that next level, absolutely do that. I'm a new business owner. I've only been in business for 4 years. I love it. I enjoy it. But I've also reached out to coaches. I've had 2 coaches. One was an executive coach that I was able to tap into their expertise as a result of a program that I was registered in. So this was free executive coaching from someone who was one of the top executive coaches in the US. I also belong to a business mastermind of entrepreneurs who have really big goals for their businesses. Being around those people helps to keep me motivated. And so for those of you who know me and are wondering, where I get so much drive, it's because I'm in these rooms, in these environments that around other people that are doing amazing things, and they are inspiring me to do some of these things. And of course, they're inspiring me, but of course, what I do, the actual actions I take are fully self-driven and are aligned with my longer term goals. So the idea is I'm getting the influence, but that influence is to drive me to meet my personal goals.